Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine. What about
Good.
you?
I'm tired. It's way past my bedtime.
Oh,
What time is it or where are you?
yeah, I'm from Iraq. By the way, I'm Ahmed.
I'm Rachel. Sorry.
Yes, I am Ahmed. I am from Iraq.
Nice.
So the time here is 9:20 a.m.
AM?
Yes, a.m.
It's 12:19 a.m.
12:90 a.m. Uh-huh.
So I haven't gone to sleep yet. Yeah. So what are you doing?
I'm just practice on my language and develop my skills.
Yeah. Do you have
Yeah.
to go to work today or?
Yes. And, after 1 hour, I want to go my shop, open my shop. I have worked on a computer shop.
Oh, cool.
Yes.
That's awesome. You own the shop?
Yeah, I'm owner of the shop.
That's awesome. It's really nice to work for yourself.
Of course,
Yes.
I don't have I I know I I don't love to work at people.
Yes.
Yeah.
I understand that. I love people, but I don't like to work with a lot of people.
Yes.
It's overwhelming.
Yes. So I want to develop my conversation. So maybe decided to learning on the courses on Cambly.
Yes. Is it going well?
This is my first trying
Oh,
to study on the courses. All my chatting on Cambly about random conversation, but there is no topic. I talked in myself, introduce myself, and I have to take the next step in conversation.
okay. Yeah. A good way to do that is to ask questions. Like, I will ask you, what's the weather like in Iraq?
Yeah, and I answer you. The weather here in Iraq is very cloudy today.
Is it cold or warm?
No, today is very cold.
How cold is very cold?
Not freezing.
I live in Chicago and
Yeah,
it is negative 4 degrees Celsius right now.
for -4 degrees.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
it is
cold.
snowing.
Yes.
Oh,
I hate snow.
yeah, because you should keep in in your house.
Yes, I did not
Yes.
go to the office today. I
Uh-huh.
stayed in bed and worked from home.
Yeah. Of
Much
course, maybe
better.
of course you feel bored when you stay at home for a long day.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
I feel
agree.
that. Yeah, I
Yeah,
feel that.
I
I can stay at home for a long time.
same. I like to do stuff and go outside,
Yeah,
but when it's this cold,
yeah.
it's not worth going outside. I have to put on a jacket and scarf and hat and gloves and boots.
And the blanket.
Take my bed with me because it's so cold and
Yeah.
yeah.
Take take the pillow with you.
And my whole bed, I'll take the mattress, I'll take it all. Yeah, that's how I
Yeah.
feel.
Yes, I feel that. I feel that.
Does it get cold in Iraq? Like how cold it does
N-
here or
n-
no?
not too much, not too much, because I I wear this t-shirt and I wear my coat without hat, without scarf. Um, I feel
You're
okay.
fine. Okay.
Yes, 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 fine.
Okay, perfect. Are you
Yeah,
at your home?
yeah, I'm in my home right now.
Who do you live with?
I live with my wife and my three kids.
You have three kids. That's a lot.
Yeah, it happened.
Yeah,
They just they just keep calm and calm and calm.
your poor wife.
What about you? Are you married?
Mm-mm.
Uh, you still single?
Oh yeah, I don't want to get married. I don't want kids. Nothing.
You don't
I'm
love kids?
I love kids. I used to be a teacher. I
Uh-huh.
don't want my own.
Yeah.
They're a lot of money,
Yes, of course.
so I'm not ready. At least right now in my life, I'm not ready. Maybe one day.
Oh, the kids, they are always fighting,
Ugh.
and you feel like live a nightmare every day, every single day.
See, you're making me not want kids more. So good. Good, good. No kids. How old are they?
The older one is a girl. She's 9.
Okay.
Yeah, and my middle son is he's 5, and the youngest baby 2 years old.
That's my favorite age. I love 2-year-olds.
Yeah, yeah, because they always smiling and
They're
uh,
learning, and it's cute to see them get or understand a new topic. They're like,
yes.
it amazes them, and they get excited over nothing. Like you could give them a sticker, and they're happy. So
Yes, exactly.
yeah, so I like that.
Yeah, you're good in with kids
Oh yeah, I'm
and
great with
dealing
kids.
with kids.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
dealing with kids is good.
I babysit. I watch people's kids all the time. Um,
Yeah.
so I get to be around kids. I just don't want any right now. Eventually.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And then, did you learn kids before on Cambly?
I've seen one kid, and it was today on Cambly.
One today. Today you teach one
One
kids.
kid, yeah.
One kid.
But before, I've not seen any on Cambly.
Hmm.
Yeah. But I used to be a teacher,
Yes.
and I worked with 2-year-olds, 8-year-olds, 12-year-olds, and like 15-year-olds. So I've
Hmm.
worked with a lot of children.
Yeah, teacher on in school or high school.
Yep, all different kinds. Elementary school, high school, child care. So when they're babies and the parents have to go to work, then they take them
Yes.
to like child care or whatever. Yeah.
So this is a long time. How have you been how teaching on Cambly?
Ooh, I'm brand new. It's been 3 weeks.
Uh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
And do you teach on other company online?
I used to, but not anymore. I like Cambly the best. So
Yes.
I have a full-time job. So I had to pick either Cambly or VIP Kids, and I chose Cambly.
Yes, Cambly. Only in Cambly you teach right now.
Yes, correct.
And do you have another job beside Cambly?
Yes, I work as an account relationship manager. So what I do is I'm in charge of hiring, so interviewing, hiring, and training all of the employees at the company.
Different from teaching.
Yes, it is, but I still get to work with a lot of people, which is
Yes,
what I like.
yes, of course. You you work on different jobs,
Yes, two different jobs.
two different
Cambly
jobs.
and then my normal job, but I also babysit, so watch children,
Uh-huh.
and dog sitting. I'm watching my neighbor's dog. I don't know where she's at, but she's somewhere. So I work a few jobs.
No, that's impressive.
Yeah, I have
You
to stay
have,
busy.
yes, I was busy.
Yes, I like to be busy though. And where I
Yes.
live is pretty expensive. So for me to live here and do fun things, I have to work a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but that's
Uh,
okay.
okay. Can you test my readings? I want readings and evaluate me.
What?
Can you test my reading?
You're reading?
Yeah, I read
Oh,
the
yeah.
courses. I choose one from the courses of Cambly, and maybe evaluate me and correct me if I made a mistake.
Ah, go ahead.
Oh, okay. I choose lesson 16 about cheating.
Okay.
Okay. Um, Everybody cheats. Whether it's the taxi driver who tricks a visitor and takes them the long way around, the store cashier who doesn't give the correct change, or the police officer who accepts a bribe, everybody at it cheaters. And the new include the scientist whose research was based on fake data, the game show contestant who collaborated with a friend in the audition to win $1 million, and the doctor who forgot his qualification and wasn't really a doctor at all. Everybody cheats.
That was good. The only thing I would say is just slow down a little bit in between words because a few
Yeah.
words just kind of blended, but because I was a teacher, I could understand. But
Yes.
I think your reading's good.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Maybe a little bit slow
Just a
on
little
reading.
bit, just a little slower. Just so I can
Yes.
hear when a word ends and a word begins.
Should I quick or slowly?
Slow.
Slow.
Articulate. I want to hear all of the sounds of the words. Do you know
Uh-huh.
what I mean?
Yes.
That'll help with your accent and fluency.
Yes.
Yeah.
We should
Hello? Oh no.
hi.
I don't know what happened.
I don't know. You just you
I was
just
like,
your
I don't
cam
know.
your camera maybe earthquake
I
happened.
don't know. But we're running out of time.
Yes. Nice to meet you, and I want to thank you for your time.
Of course, and thank you for meeting with me. I enjoyed speaking with you.
Yeah, I'm very
Have a
well
good
too.
day
Thank
at
you.
work.
Thanks. Thank you.
All right, bye bye.
Yeah, goodbye. Goodbye.